Taken prisoner at Arnhem and spent the rest of the war in a prison camp, and to while away the time they played bagpipes and danced Scottish country dancing, and they made up this dance called the Reels of the 51st Division, which they wrote out on a big sheet to send to the Royal Scottish Country Dance Society, and the Germans wouldn't let it out of this camp because they thought it was an escape plan, you know. But all that aside, the dance is lovely. We'll be starting it off not in tempo but in sort of slow air fashion. It's a wee tune called the Drunken Piper, or We Will Take the Good Old Way. Here we go. We're going to do a wee Robert Burns song now. Fiona's going to sing it solo for you. It's a wee love song called Cauf the Yowes To The Knowes, or called The Sheep To The Hills. And it's about a shepherd courting a young lassie. And like today, the young lady wants a commitment, you know. What's new? And the song is very, very beautiful. It's called Cauf the Yowes To The Knowes.
Cauf them where the heather grows, cauf them where the burnie blows, my bonnie dearie. As I went in by the water's side, there I met my shepherd lad. He rode me sweetly on his plaid, and he called me his dearie. Cauf the Yowes To The Knowes, cauf them where the my bonnie dearie. Will ye come down by the water's side and see the waves they sweetly glide beneath the hazels spreading wide? The moon it shines through clearly. You shall get gowns and ribbons meet, Cauf-leather shoon upon your feet, and in my arms shall lie and sleep, and ye shall be my dearie. As waters wimble to the sea, why day blanks and the lips say high, shoveling your ye shaggy my dearie. Call the Yowes to the Knowes, call them where